Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make ranch sauce easy full guide. Start by gathering fresh buttermilk, mayonnaise, sour cream, dried herbs, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Measure ingredients precisely and whisk in a medium bowl until smooth. Taste and adjust seasoning, then chill for at least 30 minutes to let flavors meld. I'll share quick swaps, texture tips, and storage advice so you can make perfect ranch every time. Let's break down the core ingredients and why each one matters for creamy ranch. Use 1 cup mayonnaise, 1/2 cup sour cream, and 1/2 cup buttermilk for a balanced base. Dried dill, parsley, chives, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and black pepper create classic flavor. Whisk gently to avoid airiness, then taste and tweak salt or herbs. Store in an airtight jar for up to 7 days. Quick recommendation and a small pause to help the channel grow. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe, like, and share the video. Also, a fun product to mention is the Owala water bottle for staying hydrated during cooking and tasting. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you want. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Now I'll share quick techniques to control ranch thickness and flavor without fuss. For thinner dressing, add more buttermilk a tablespoon at a time until desired pourable consistency. For thicker dip, reduce buttermilk or add Greek yogurt or a bit of cream cheese. To brighten flavor, add a squeeze of lemon or a dash of vinegar. Always rest the sauce chilled to let herbs rehydrate and flavors blend before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.